Can't believe it, folks. They about to bring our coffin out. All right. Oh, there it is. I can't believe this is happening, folks. I really can't believe this. I filmed this with my T Wanky funeral, you know. But I was saw it out here already, you know. I can't believe this is happening, y'all. I would hate to see this, y'all. I can't believe this is happening, y'all. I really can't believe this, you know. So I got the oh Lord, I don't know how much I could take of this. I really don't know. I definitely don't know how much I could take of this. I really don't know how much I could take of this. I really don't know how much more I could, but I'm gonna try to be strong though. I literally don't know how much I could take of it. But it was Sharon right there.